Tesla has unveiled a long-awaited update for the Model Y. This is a truly momentous event, as it is one of the company's best-selling models and one of the world's best-selling electric vehicles. The facelifted version of the crossover, known under the codename Juniper, is currently available exclusively in the Chinese market, where sales will begin in March this year. In other markets, including the United States, the updated version will debut later, likely in the spring. This facelift marks the first major update to the Tesla Model Y since its debut in 2019. So, it's about time. As usual, let's start with the design. The car's exterior has undergone significant changes. The crossover now features a redesigned front bumper with sharper lines and an LED strip reminiscent of the design elements used in the Cybercup robo-taxi concept. These changes make the car look more aggressive and modern, but also more like a product tailored to the Chinese market. There's little originality here. I'm not against such changes, but I would have preferred more authenticity. The rear of the car has also been updated. Instead of separate taillights, the new model features a single LED strip, a trendy solution found in many modern cars. These design elements certainly refresh the model's appearance, and in the case of the Model Y, also improve aerodynamics. The car's drag coefficient is now 0.22 compared to the previous 0.23, thanks to the new design. Significant changes have been made to the interior of the Tesla Model Y as well. The interior design has become more refined, if I may say so, but the characteristic emptiness and simplicity of the cabin unfortunately remain. The company claims that sound insulation is now better due to improved materials and structural solutions. Ambient lighting has also been added, creating a cozy and modern atmosphere inside the car. The steering wheel no longer features the usual control stalks, as seen in the updated Model 3, and rear passengers now have access to a separate screen. The updated Model Y comes with new seats featuring heating and cooling functions, providing comfort in any season. What about the technical aspects of the new model? The updated Model Y is currently available in several configurations. The base version with a single electric motor and rear-wheel drive delivers 295 horsepower. This variant accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.3 seconds, compared to 5.9 seconds in the pre-facelift model. It uses a 62.5 kilowatt-hour battery, offering a range of 592 kilometers. However, this range is based on the Chinese measurement cycle, which tends to be overly optimistic. If these specs aren't enough for you, consider the all-wheel drive version with dual motors, one at the front and one at the rear. The front motor delivers 184 horsepower, while the rear motor produces 260 horsepower. In this case, acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour takes just 4.3 seconds, compared to 5 seconds in the pre-facelift model. This version is equipped with a 78.4 kilowatt-hour battery, providing a range of 717 kilometers, though these measurements were also made using the Chinese cycle. Keep that in mind. Tesla has focused not only on performance, but also on comfort. The updated Model Y features a revised suspension system, similar to the one introduced in the updated Model 3. This has resulted in improved ride quality, offering more comfortable and controlled driving. Now for the price. In China, the updated Tesla Model Y costs $35,900. This is 5.4% more expensive than the previous model, which is justified by the improved specifications and new features. Despite the price increase, these changes highlight Tesla's commitment to maintaining its leadership in the electric crossover segment. In other markets, including the United States, the updated Model Y will likely appear in the spring and retain similar improvements, although the lineup of configurations may differ. To sum up, the updated Tesla Model Y has become an even more compelling product, combining elegant design, enhanced comfort features, increased power, and improved range. These updates will help Tesla maintain its leading position in the electric crossover segment and meet the growing demands of customers worldwide. Now, we just have to wait for this version to hit the international market in the coming months. That's all, friends. Thank you for watching until the end. If the video was interesting for you, please like it and share your comments. Your feedback is important to us. Also, subscribe the channel if you haven't already. All the best, and see you on our channel.
I'm changing my life and I won't